Hi everyone. Is your gas stove giving no flame or just a weak flame? Don't worry, today I'll show you a quick and easy fix using a simple tool, a safety pin. Let's get started. First things first, always prioritize safety. Turn off the gas supply to make sure there's no risk of gas leaks while we work. Also, let the stove cool down completely if you've used it recently. Next, remove the burner from the stove. Most burners can be lifted off easily. If yours doesn't, check your stove's manual for instructions. Take a look at these small holes around the burner. These are where the gas comes out, and they often get clogged with dirt, grease, or food particles. That's what causes weak or no flames. Now, grab a safety pin. Carefully insert it into each of the small holes to remove any blockages. Be gentle but thorough, making sure you poke through all the clogged holes. This step is super important for restoring proper gas flow. After clearing the holes, tap the burner gently to dislodge any remaining dirt. Once all the holes are clean, place the burner back on the stove. Make sure it's aligned properly before turning the gas back on. And that's it. Using just a safety pin, you can fix a clogged burner and get your stove working like new again. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more DIY tips. Thanks for watching.